Hello and welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today have I got a treat for you. When last did you see the colorful prawn crackers, or the prawn chips as they call them? It's a Chinese delicacy, a Chinese little snack that we enjoyed back in the Caribbean. But for now, let's get some oil heated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to drop these babies in there and just see them how they perform. So once the oil is heated to about 300, and you'll just start dropping your babies in. You can either do them one at a time. So just grab yourself a pair of food plating tweezers, or chopsticks if you're versatile with those, if you're good with those, and you just drop them. I drop them one at a time just to have control over the way, the frying. So it seems that 350 or 340, 345, 350 is a good temperature for for your oil to be at. And you drop a couple of them in there, and within a few seconds you can see the performance. There you go. Awesome. And you just remove them immediately from the oil. Just a few seconds we need. And they're good. You can probably just flip them over if the edges aren't getting caught. Drain that oil off, and then I put it on a paper towel also, just to get the rest of the oil. And these are a great snack. You can eat them by themselves, or you can get a dipping sauce. Like I usually would use some sweet chili sauce. Give it a little tang, and a little heat. Cool. Here we are, just having them drain a little more on some paper towel. And I have my dipping sauce ready. Ooh. And it just melts in your mouth. Awesome. You have to try this.